Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to Luna Classic update today, and Luna Classic is making another attempt to break and continue to move to the upside. So we had previously tried to break here, we failed, we went to the downside. You're trying to break again, but it doesn't really look like it's a very convincing break. We're still struggling to break above this pattern at the moment. So still over the resistance, we're still not getting above it. You can see that's a rejection, down, rejection, and yes, if you break above it, we're going to actually move really high, but we're not doing that. And it started off from this resistance and a move down, that resistance moved down, and again that resistance right over there is still coming impact. So I'm just going to leave you with a few things. You have to be careful that Luna Classic doesn't drop down to 7713. I may actually say all the way even down to 8387. If you start to make it below 8387, you could actually see this thing going down along with Bitcoin as well. Or we just break above and continue, because your target for breaking is going to be 2063. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Office.